Today we're making super crispy chicken popcorn.
Cut your chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Let's start with a clean bowl. Add your chicken pieces. Add some salt,
Now chili powder.
a little black pepper,
Add ginger garlic paste. And some lemon juice.
add some flour. Now corn flour. Mix to coat evenly.
Perfect coating for crispiness. Heat the oil.
Carefully drop the chicken. Fry until golden and crispy. Keep turning for even frying.
Perfectly crispy.
Time to serve.
Follow for more tasty recipes.